By the end of this video, you will know how to create a new expense category in QuickBooks Online. To begin, look to the left side of your QuickBooks Online screen and find the main navigation menu. From that menu, click Accounting. This opens the area where your account structure is managed, including the list of categories that QuickBooks uses to organize income, expenses, assets, and other account types. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the accounting options are fully visible before moving forward. Once you are in the accounting section, select Chart of Accounts. This is the list that holds all of the accounts already set up in your company file. You may see bank accounts, credit cards, income accounts, and expense accounts listed here. The goal in this step is to open the place where a new expense category can be added, so make sure you are on the Chart of Accounts page before continuing. Near the upper area of the page, click New. This opens the account creation window where you define the type of category you want to add. The fields in this form determine how the new category will appear in your records, so each selection should match the purpose of the expense you are tracking. In the Account Type drop-down, select Expenses. This tells QuickBooks that the new account will be used for expense transactions rather than income, assets, liabilities, or equity. Make sure Expenses is selected here because choosing a different account type will place the category in the wrong section of your chart of accounts. After that, move to the Detail Type field and choose the option that best fits the kind of expense category you are creating. The Detail Type gives QuickBooks more specific information about how that expense should be classified. Select the option that most closely matches the use of the new category within your books. Next, click into the Account Name field and enter the name you want to use for the new expense category. This is the name that will appear when you categorize transactions, review reports, or search your chart of accounts later. Use a clear name that matches how you want this expense to appear in your records. If needed, you can also add more information before saving. Enter a description if you want to include extra context about how the category should be used. You can also enable Make this a sub-account if this new expense category should sit under a broader parent expense account. Only use that option if your chart of accounts is already organized with parent and sub-account relationships. When everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will create the new expense category and add it to your chart of accounts so it is available for future transaction entry and reporting. Your new expense category is now created in QuickBooks Online.